Ever wondered why a certain character from Ian Fleming's James Bond books hasn't made it to the big screen yet? Loelia Ponsonby, the principal secretary to the thousands agents at MI6, has an intriguing story that could add a new dimension to the Bond franchise. In the books, Loelia is a smart and witty woman providing crucial information and assistance to Bond and other agents. She made her debut in the third novel, Moonrakers, and shared a flirtatious dynamic with Bond. However, she was later dropped from the series after marrying a member of the Baltic Exchange. Interestingly, the James Bond movies combined Loelia's role into Moneypenny, making her a more substantial character with a flirtatious relationship with Bond. But what if Loelia made her cinematic in Bond 26? With Daniel Craig's retirement, a new actor will step into the iconic role of 007. This change opens up an opportunity to introduce new characters, and perhaps Loelia could be one of them. Introducing Loelia might even spark renewed interest in the original book series, prompting fans to delve deeper into her story. And so adding Loelia to the film series would create a fresh female character who is both charismatic and intelligent, serving as a relatively new take on James Bond. And she can help revamp the franchise and provide a new romantic angle for the iconic spy. So here's to hoping that Loelia Ponsonby makes her long-awaited debut in Bond 26. After all, who doesn't love a witty and intelligent woman who can hold her own matter against James Bond? A side role in means. 17 came 26 against James Bond. A book. And now, for a little joke, why did Loelia become a secretary at MI6? Because she heard they were looking for someone who could keep a secret, and she didn't want to be kept in the dark. But with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, let's stop.